ACER EMC 2240A, a large travel vertical machining center. 10 great reasons to go EMC 2240A. One, 15 horsepower, 30-minute peak, 10 horsepower continuous spindle motor. 2, CAF 40, 8,000 RPM spindle, standard. 3, with large travel, XYZ R40 by 22 by 20 and semi-enclosure for easy loading and machining. 4, 24 arm type tool change. Tool change time only 2.1 seconds to increase your production. The EMC 2240A provides large capacity and travel for machining. It can machine large and tall parts or use 4-axis rotary table. Machine comes with the MPG, manual pulse generator, hand wheel control. Standard are EMC 2240A for easy positioning workpiece. 5. All machine way are hardened and ground. More than Rockwell C55 with C5 precision ground ball screw. Machine is also laser calibrated and ball bar tested to assure smooth and accurate movement. 6. Heavy-duty massive casting construction and box weight to support cable load up to 2,000 pounds. 7. Integrated Anilam 6000i digital CNC control, which allows the machine to perform high-speed machining and rigid tapping function. 8. Machine is integrated with Anilam all digital control, which can run both G-code and conversational program with graphics interface. With easy conversational programmability, customer can input blueprint data and cut parts right away. This digital control holds 512 megabyte memory and 40 gig hard drive for unlimited parts program. 9. Control comes with powerful features. 1. Free 27 milling can cycle for easy program. 2. 2.5D cam are built in machine for complicated parts program. 3. DXF File Converter can transfer DXF file to toolpath and cut parts right away. Four, Tool and Parts Pro software are standard for quick setup. 10. Easy layout and CE standard electric cabinet are standards on ACER EMCs. All wires and cables are sealed, colored, and numbered for easy maintenance and troubleshooting. Main power source and signal power source are separated and sealed to protect from electromagnetic signal interface to make sure it will not pick up wrong tool after thousands of tool change. ACER designed and built the EMC series from the 22 by 40 to the 35 by 100 inches machine center to meet your large part machining needs. This machine provides semi-enclosure for easy loading and unloading parts. It also holds heavy parts up to 2,000 pounds. Every EMC comes with a fast 24 arm type or carousel tool change to increase production, even if you run this machine in your tool room. 20-inch Z-Travel can allow you to easily machine tall parts or use 4-axis rotary table. It also comes with the most powerful and friendly control to allow the operator to make parts without G-code, M-code, or programming background. If you can read blueprints, you can machine it. It also can run high-speed machining on complex parts like mold making through CAD/CAM program, thanks to its all-digital control. Check our price and you will be surprised as to how affordable it is. Join us. We hope your next large travel machining center will be ACER EMC.